This video explains how to create embedded answer questions in Moodle LMS. Embedded answers questions resemble structured question types, wherein you can present a series of questions related to a problem. These questions can be in the form of multiple choice or short answer questions, requiring students to input text or numerical values. The answers are automatically evaluated.
The questions can be generated within the pre-existing categories of the question bank or as fresh questions within a quiz.
Here you select Embedded Answers or Cloze type, and click on the Add button. After choosing the embedded answer question type, a window will appear, as illustrated here. You are required to choose a category for storing the question in the question bank, and provide a name or number for the question. In the question text area, you can compose the text for the problem, and include tables and figures if necessary. Following the text associated with the problem, you can formulate the questions in accordance with the format of Moodle Embedded Answer Questions. The details of this format will be explained in the subsequent sections of the video. Within this window, you have the ability to decode and validate the text you have entered before saving it. However, if the question's text contains issues pertaining to the embedded answer question format, the window cannot be saved. After finishing the formulation of the questions, it should be like this. This type of question includes a text, figure, and tables, etc. that outlines the problem, followed by questions presented in the Moodle Cloze format. Students may be required to perform specific calculations and enter their answers in designated spaces or choose the correct answer from a set of options provided. These questions encompass various formats, including multiple choice, short answers, and numerical data input. Furthermore, for multiple choice questions, there is the possibility of shuffling the answer options. The answers can be displayed vertically, horizontally, or as a drop-down menu. Additionally, for numerical data input, a tolerance value can be provided. Here, you can see the preview of the question. That is the way the students see the question. We will next see the format of writing different type of questions. Format for writing cloze questions.
Let us consider the question, what is the SI unit of measurement of electrical power?
We make it as a multiple choice question. The answers are presented as shown. The number 5 indicates the marks for correct answer. In MCVS, MC is for multiple choice, V is for vertical layout of choices, S is for shuffling choices, the sign like minus is used to separate choices, %0% is used in front of wrong answers, and equals sign is used for the correct answer. When inputting these questions into the question text field in the embedded answers or cloze question types in Moodle, it is important to avoid any spaces between characters. If you want to leave a space between the choices and the radio buttons, for better appearance, use non-breaking space in the HTML code. If you write MCS instead of MCVS, without V, the choices will be in a drop-down as shown. If you write MCHS instead of MCVS, the choices will be in a raw. Here is another instance of multiple choice questions that have more than one correct answer. In this scenario, we use the acronym MRS, where MR stands for multi-response and S denotes shuffle. The checkboxes are arranged vertically by default. If you prefer the checkboxes to be displayed horizontally, you can use the term MRHS. In this question format, students receive full marks only when they choose all the correct options. If a student selects one incorrect answer alongside the correct ones, he will score 0 for that question. This question type is commonly referred to as an all or nothing multiple choice question. Let us now consider another example with numerical value input. The question is, what is the area of a circle of radius 50 mm? In this case, the letters NM stand for numerical. The value 0.0001 given after the answer, separate by a colon, is the tolerance. This means any value between the correct answer plus or minus the tolerance is marked as correct. Now we will see how to add this type of question into the question bank. If you find difficulty in writing questions according to the formats described, you can use Moodle Cloze and Gift Code Generator. The link to download this Excel file is given in the description.